Hey, Sean here in this video, show you how to use your notifications and settings. This is pretty cool. You can actually customize Tykr to only search for stocks and ETFs in certain countries and exchanges. So check this out. If you go to the top right, click on Profile, and then you'll see here notifications and settings. And you can actually determine if you want stockpiling alerts turned on or off. You can do the same thing with your daily email. Like if you don't want to receive your daily emails, you can actually turn that off. And then here you can actually select what countries you only want to see stocks from. I know sometimes people come to me and be like, hey, I only want to see stocks from my country. So in this case, I could put in United States. Click Save Changes. And then when you go to the stocks page, you will only see stocks from the United States. And again, you can do the same thing with the exchanges right here as well. Down below, you can see your search preferences. This is really useful. Like if you want to use a search bar and you don't want to see ETFs or crypto, you can actually toggle those off. So an example would be if I go to the search bar here, if I try to type in like Bitcoin, BIT, it's not going to show. So that way, if you guys want to filter out what you don't want to see, you can do that right there. I'm going to turn those back on. And then down below, you can see this, the default financials. This is how you want to see your charts by default. In this case, I like to set it to 5 year, but you could set it to like 1 year, year to date, 6 month, 3 month, 1 month, whatever is your preference. So there you go. That's how you use the notifications and settings.